Seasonal Repairs is another painting that sort of along the theme that I like to revisit of the turn of seasons on Cape Cod, when there's sort of a visitation in the spring to what's happened over the winter, what didn't fare so well when it comes to the buildings and structures, and sometimes it's the land and the beaches too. Depending on the storms and the weather that the winter can bring to the Outer Cape. So this is of the Shellfish Building in Wellfleet, kind of near Mayo Beach, and I love the building. It's has a ton of character to it. I'm not quite sure the use or the suspended use of the building on a regular basis. I always get kind of intrigued by the state that it might be in, and definitely has that feel of an Outer Cape building. It sort of has windows that might need a little work. There's in this particular building sort of a door unhinged on a lean-to section. Maybe it's a little shed part, a storage area. But those kind of things aren't that important to me. It's more about the story of what's going on with the building. That's open to the viewer. As I've said before, I like to have those narratives sort of open-ended for the spectator to decide. I just like to capture the beauty that's around it, and there's this sort of play of the beautiful beach roses and the sand and the path that sits next to it, along with in the background Wellfleet Harbor and some of the beauty that can be found there, and the building itself with its gray shingles and well-worn trim. Just really captivating to me. I painted it several times, and this is probably my favorite. It's my latest one of it, probably because I've been able to sort of get a better feel for how I want to convey that scene. I hope to get to return to it again soon.